Alrighty, check it out. Back with another video, Cosmos Truck Accessories, showing you this nice 2025 Toyota Tundra. We just finished up here at the shop today. We equipped this truck with our built package. Check out how nice this thing came out. Gonna be breaking down the whole build, showing you everything we added to this truck to make it look like this. This is our built package right here. So if you got one of these trucks, your 2022 to 26 Toyota Tundra, and you're looking for this type of look right here, let me show you what we did. Our built package consists of a 3.5-inch lift, 2 to 3.5-inch lift with your choice of 17, 18, 20-inch wheels, and to be able to fit up to 35-inch tires. So if you got one of these trucks, let me show you what we did so that you get the right information, what you need in order to get this type of setup right here. So starting on the suspension, we threw on a 3.5-inch lift from Rough Country. This kit comes with your brand new upper control arms, aluminum forged, as well as we opted in for the N3 struts rather than the strut spacer kit. A much better upgrade than stock right here. This is gonna ride a lot softer than the stock shocks. Check that out. This kit also consists of a sway bar drop bracket as well as a differential drop brackets in order to correct the geometry on the suspension. For the rear, this kit comes with brand new rear shocks and brand new coil springs for the rear, as well as a track bar relocation bracket. Check that out. Overall, a very complete suspension kit that Rough Country designed for these trucks. Moving on to the wheel and tire package. We did these 17 by 8.5 Arena Trophy wheel. Check that out. This is like a nice matte black color. Really complements the paint on this truck right here. Very nice design from Arena Wheels. One of the best manufacturers when it comes to wheels for these off-road trucks. They have very nice, clean design wheels. Definitely check them out. Arena Wheel Co. Check out their nice styles they offer. On the tire, we did these 35, 12.5, 17 BF Goodrich K03. This is BF Goodrich's new and improved design from the K02. And they're very popular K02. This is their new and improved design. This is the K03. Much better riding tire. This is a much more even quieter tire. This still has that nice aggressive sidewall. Very nice look to it. It's gonna ride smooth as well. It's an all-terrain, so you can take this tire wherever you want. It's gonna conquer any terrain. And on the wheels, I also want to mention is these have a plus 25 offset. So with that plus 25 offset, with these Tundras, you're gonna be sitting pretty much flush with the fender. This is how much it pokes out. This is with a plus 25 offset wheel. The perfect amount of poke on these trucks. So if you don't want it to stick out too much, plus 25 offset is the way to go on these. Check that out. And yeah, with this kit, it's also gonna level out the truck from front to rear, giving it that nice leveled stance. Check that out. Man, this thing came out real nice. Nice matte black wheels, really complements the gray color on this truck. Check that out. And yeah, comment below what you guys think on this build right here. From a scale 1 through 10. Give it a like, share, subscribe. We're here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. One-stop shop for all your truck's needs. Quality service, quality products, expert installation. We're in Phoenix, Arizona.